the fact that there existed a much older system, and then all of a sudden we needed a new system, was recorded in the Dendera zodiac. If you look at the Dendera zodiac, which by the way has been the fascination of many authors, and you can find a zillion articles and books on the internet, it's very strange because you have a circle of people, gods probably, that look typically Egyptian, and then you have the circle of the zodiacal constellations, which look Greek. Just they are being treated just like in most drawings. You also have the seven visible planets, which are also Egyptian gods like Thoth and Re. And then you have the circumpolar constellations, which are again typically Egyptian. What it shows is the two different systems. You have the so-called Deccan stars, which was the ancient system, it simply tried to follow the passage of the moon, which reached another star each night, and this was how they measured time. And then you have the new system, which is the zodiac, and how the planets are moving within the zodiac. And now the system that we are using today was really developed by the Chaldean priests of Mesopotamia, who actually looked at the sky for 3,000 years, and they noted what they saw, and they tried to find correlations between what is happening on the earth and what was happening in the sky. That's why this type of astrology is called omen astrology, because they didn't actually do horoscopes. They simply noted what was happening, and they were trying to find the new rules. After that, the Hellenistic approach already was a horoscopic astrology, and they simply crushed the whole sky into the narrow band of the zodiac and only dealt with the zodiacal constellations and the seven visible planets. By the Middle Ages, only those occult sciences could survive which followed the Roman Christian Church, and that's why most of the ancient concept of reincarnation got lost. So by the Renaissance of the New Age, which started at the end of the 19th century, beginning of the 20th century, you have a new surge, a new type of astrology which actually realizes or recognizes the fact that the soul is eternal, that we come back many, many times, that we have a plan which is coded in the horoscope, and we are trying to learn certain things, and we are trying to do certain things. That is all recorded in your natal chart.